Hi, I have a little question. People ask me how to keep your polo color look like this, not like that. I'm gonna show you the quickest and nice and easy way to do it. Can you see? This is called double face sticker. You could use it, it's kind of invisible, and you wouldn't even leave any stain in your shirt. You just easy to remove. You don't have to use any water, just take it out. And you could see, just do this. Bingo! Can you see this? Looks really awesome, isn't it? You could use it for your casual shirt, any kind of clothing with color into it. So sometimes I could use it, we don't have to use this button, and just put the sticker here and stick it, and this it lasts all day long. This is kind of sticker you could show you guys. And can you see? I just open. Can you see that? Nice and simple. So anyway guys, I think I solved your problem, isn't it? So what do you think? Please subscribe my channel and don't forget click notification bell, and I'll see you soon.